Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel if you're new. Hey, what's good? What's up? It's your girl T. Today we're doing a hair installation video, okay? So I'm just showing you guys quickly what I got in the package. Today we are installing a 13x6 HD lace frontal wig. The density is 180 and the inches is 26, y'all. This body wave hair is giving me all types of life right now. I wanted to give you guys an up close view. That way you guys can see the texture and hair, okay? This is straight out the box, not altered or anything. This is the hairline, as you guys can see, and I am gonna flip it right here so you guys can see what underneath is giving us. Alright guys, so this is the hairline, what it looks like before I do any customizations to it. They do give us baby hairs and it's left out for us just in case you don't know what you're doing, sis. They got you. However, I am prepping to bleach the knot, so I took some foam wrap lotion and I blended everything back into the hairline, okay? The hairline is freaking flawless in my opinion, especially if you don't like doing the most, okay? But y'all know I'm extra, so I'm definitely gonna go in and, you know, add my little touch to it. So I'm just turning the unit inside out so I can focus on the knots, okay? So I'm gonna add some T-pins to make sure everything is nice and secure. So first we're gonna go in the Blond Brilliance powder lightener, and then we're gonna go in with the developer, and this is 25. We're gonna mix it in this little bowl right here until it's like a pasty consistency. This is gonna help it focus on the knots. Y'all know those little black things, you know, that we don't like to see all the time. Well, this does the trick. However, if you're lazy, because most of the time I don't do this, I just use foundation or concealer and call it a day. But if you want to be a little extra, add your bleach, okay? And I tend to let this sit for 10 minutes. This type of developer and powder tends to process very, very quick. I personally like an over processed look when it comes to my knots, so I let it sit for 10 minutes, but keep an eye on it. After we let it sit, we rinse it out, and this is what the hair is giving us, okay? Like I said, with body wear hair, when you do wash it, the body waves do come back out, but you always have the option to put them back in. So this is what the knots is giving us, okay? This is what everything is looking like. I just wanted to show you guys the perimeter because this is how much room you get to work with. This is not a full lace frontal. It's more like a T part where you have the edges on the side, and then the middle you're able to, you know, work a little bit more, you know, with the side part or a middle part. It does have a deep middle part as well, so you can go back, and I will show you guys that once I start parting it. But on the sides, it's just edges, you know. So I am going in to pluck the lace just a tad bit. Like I said, I didn't want to go heavy on the plucking because this is just a T-part frontal wig. It's not a full lace frontal. So if I do too much, it would have started exposing the tracks. So basically with plucking, I don't really know how to explain it. I just start working within sections and keep moving. You know, I feel like if I concentrate on one section within a section, it just makes me start to balls and it starts to thin out entirely too much. So right here you guys can see it's thinning out a lot and it looks very, very natural. So I pushed everything back into the hairline just so you guys can see how flawless this looks. I always leave hair out and start plucking behind the hair I leave out, because if you mess up, sis, you can just cover it up, okay? You can just cover it up. But this looks freaking flawless. Like, nobody can tell me nothing, okay? Nobody can tell me nothing. Look how that looks amazing, okay? So this is what the hairline looks like once I put it on my head, okay? She is giving me scalp vibes in this clip, okay? Now the lighting was being mad weird, okay? With my new backdrop, y'all, the exposure was going up and down. It was going orange, yellow. It was a struggle. But let's just get into this lace. HD laces always come for me, okay? I love them. Like, they give me so much life because they're very, very thin, and I feel like it's just so much easier to blend into your, you know, forehead or your scalp, hairline, whatever you want to call it, when it's HD versus the standard laces. So this gives me life, like, sis. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and do my natural install. I'm just going to go ahead and clean up that got to be glue that ran towards my forehead. And we're just going to take our blow dryer on a cool heating setting, and we're going to let that get a little bit tacky. And we're going to place that bad baby down, okay? And then we're going to add some more heat. And that's pretty much what I do throughout this tiring process to, you know, get it to lay. All right, guys, so this is actually a different day. As you guys can see, makeup and everything is different. I did put this shirt back on because I can do that, okay? But anyway, I'm just showing you guys the deep parting. It does have a deep part when it comes down to the center. You do have more room to work in the middle than the sides. So yes, that's what it's given. So I did reinstall it the next day. I actually didn't finish installing it because since my lighting was getting on my nerves and I became annoyed. So I was like, we're gonna try it again tomorrow. So my baby hairs are already cut because I tried my baby hairs in that last video with that other backdrop, and since everything was just looking ugly, it was looking like it wasn't blending, and sis, no. So right here, as you guys can see, everything looks natural, okay? Because the other clip, the lighting was just not hitting, okay? But I'm just gonna go ahead and fix my baby hairs, pull them out and go ahead and mold them and shape them. And I'm just using my Got To Be Glue spray to do so. Sorry if I'm talking fast. I just drank a Mountain Dew Kickstart and you know, just got a little bit of energy, but I apologize if I'm just rambling, you know. All right, so I am going to wand curl my hair, and I'm just doing some backward spiral curls. These are going to create the illusion of body waves. They're going to be like more so loose body waves. Now this curling wand has interchangeable, so I do have a larger barrel size on there. I'm not sure what it is, but I'll link it if I can still find that set in there. I love this curling wand set. So I really think these curls turned out amazing, y'all. I didn't know they was going to turn out this bomb. So this is pretty much the end of the video, because then I'm just going to be shaking out the hair and, you know, styling it and all that jazz. But I really enjoyed working with this unit. For this to be a T-part unit, T-part frontal, whatever you want to call it, I really love it. You still can make it look very natural. Okay, now the hair wasn't tangling, y'all, in this clip. It just looked like it was a lot going on because I just threw them clips up there any old type of way. So when I was changing my outfit or changing my clothes, my hair wouldn't, you know, be doing the most. So I just clipped them up any old kind of way. But yeah, look at this beauty, okay? Look at this beauty. But anyway, like I was saying, This hair was very, very easy to work with. As you guys can see, my hands is just gliding through it. I didn't have any problem with this unit tangling up on me. This unit is flawless, and I definitely recommend it. This hair is nice, soft, and silky. It came that way when I bleached the knots, you know, washed and conditioned it, and returned back to its natural, you know, silky. As you guys can see, y'all can see that hair got a lot of luster. You can just see it, body and bounce. Okay, it's the curves for me. It's the unit for me. It's everything for me. So really, really excited at how this turns out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. All information will be there, as well as a coupon code. So yeah, until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.